today, bringing you another vlog. And I know what you're thinking, it's been a minute since I filmed the vlog. Well, actually, it's been a minute since I've even filmed a video. And honestly, I just haven't had anything to film lately. But you know, sometimes that happens, and yeah, I'm hoping today's video, you know, kind of makes up for everything. Nothing too exciting. To be honest with you, it kind of sucks. You know, we got Mustang Week rolling around here in about 2 months, and now I have to deal with this problem. As you're reading from the title and thumbnail of this video, it's nothing really good. Anyways, we'll get more into that in just a moment. But right now, everyone, I'm actually pulling up to my dad's house because I'm gonna grab Blue, and I have to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Nothing mechanically is wrong with the car, knock on wood. But you know, it's kind of one of those parts to where I really don't feel like replacing because it does cost a little bit. But unfortunately, like I said, Mustang Week is right around the corner, and I really have no choice. And oh my God, it got dark. But yes, as I was saying, Mustang Week is around the corner. We got 2 months, a little less than 60 days, I believe. And that reminds me, we are gonna be talking about the Boost. Now, it's kind of crazy because I was reading on my Instagram post I posted yesterday. Some of you guys think I don't even have the supercharger, which is ridiculous. I mean, why would I lie about that? But I do want to take a second and acknowledge the fact that I haven't talked much about the supercharger. And to be honest with you, like I mentioned in a previous video, I want to say about 4 videos back maybe, when we talked about how much it costs to supercharge a car. And many of you know that LMR actually helped me out with a lot of the parts I needed to get the car supercharged. So pretty much the reason why I haven't been talking about the supercharger much is because I've honestly been saving money, you know, for the leftover parts such as the intercooler kit. I have to get a good blow-off valve. I have to have the money for the time at the tuners and, you know, the fabrication shop and stuff. So yes, that's where I'm at with that. Just saving money. I have the money now, so we're probably gonna end up purchasing everything tonight. And honestly, when I get all the pieces in this whole entire supercharging project, it shouldn't take more than a full week, and that's with installation. That's getting everything fabricated, dialed in on the tuner, and you know, pretty much after that, it's done. So once the process actually starts, everything's gonna happen quick. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that, everyone. And don't freak out, I do actually own a Vortec kit. I can't believe some people actually think I used it for clickbait. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, clickbait. Yeah, clickbait. Yeah. Bitches. Anyways, guys, as you can see, we're now in the Mustang. Right quick, I'm actually running a couple errands for the house, and then as soon as we're done that, we're heading back to the house because I have to show you guys something really cool. Well, I hope it's gonna be cool. It's definitely a trial and error type of thing, and it's kind of revolving around this whole video anyways. So as soon as I'm done running these errands, we'll pick this vlog right back up. All right, everyone, so just made it home from the errands, and I have the car over here, so we're gonna go take a look at the taillights of Blue. Now, just looking at them, can't really tell a difference other than they're a bit dirty. So this side looks all right, but you come over to this side and boom, there you go. Big old black eye right here, and it's driving me nuts. You're probably asking me why this is driving me nuts, because it's something yet so simple, but it's really not that simple because these are custom and I cannot find them anywhere. Now you guys can clearly see right where it's peeled, this is really dull, so I know they took some fine sandpaper to this and they put about 6 coats of tin on there with some clear coat and a lot of buffing and stuff like that. I mean, you can clearly see my reflection in this, so they're definitely done properly. But like I said, guys, I cannot find these same exact tail lights anywhere on the market. And the reason why I want the same exact ones is because I have the black deck lid here. As you can see, look, they pretty much match. So I like the look of the black stripe going across the whole car. And if I get some, like, you know, smoke, they're not gonna look nearly the same. They're gonna be a lot lighter, a lot more transparent, and that's not what I want. So this is just another thing I have to stress about. So yeah, guys, when I noticed this, it was about 105 degrees out here in Richmond, Virginia. And I kid you not, we have had probably the hottest week last week in God knows how long. And the car's rear end was actually facing that way and the sun was pointing right on it. So I'm thinking this got so hot to where it just peeled from the edge and it just started peeling slowly. I had to take it off and pretty bummed out about it. But with being bummed out about that, I have something pretty exciting to show you guys right quick. Go in the backyard. So I've been working on a little project back here in the shed and voila. So as you guys can see, I kind of took this into my own hands and I'm doing a trial and error set on the tail lights from the 03 parts car we got for the interior swap. Now I know what you're thinking, Derek, you're ridiculous. These things are like pitch black. Yes, they are very dark. I put about 6 to 7 coats of tint on them, but they will not remain this dark because I've been doing them the right way. I wet sanded them first and I sprayed down the tint, and now we had to wet sand the tint in about 45 minutes. And then from there, we're gonna go ahead and apply our clear coat, and then after the clear coat, we're gonna go ahead and wet sand them again, and this is where the fun part comes in. So believe it or not, I'm actually going all out on this project because, you know, I put 2 and 2 together. When I first got those taillights that are now on my car, people were freaking out about them. Where can I get these from? Who did you get these from? Where can I find these, and what tint are they? So your boy got an orbital, and with inside this drawer right here, I have everything I need to properly redo taillights like the ones on Blue right now. And you know, really quick, let's go ahead and take a look back on that Redo Blue episode to where I first installed these taillights. And after that, guys, that's pretty much it. We'll take a look at it, and I'm very excited because I've been waiting for this moment for a long time now. This view right here looks outstanding. I'm so excited to finish it. So I will see you guys on the DSLR right now. Okay, so the moment of truth is here. I'm gonna drop the trunk, and I wanna see how well the deck lid complements the taillights and how well the taillights complement the deck lid. Let's take a look. Oh my God. I'm so happy with this right now. What a difference. It's like one full, it looks like they wrapped the taillights with the deck lid. I tell you what, those things looked absolutely mint. It's gonna be really hard to replicate that. So yes, that's my goal right now, guys, is to get those looking mint. And then from there, we're just gonna go ahead and buy a ton of stock taillights and get to work. You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Huh? You wanna fight? Okay, you win. Now that I told you guys that, I do have one thing to ask you guys. So here's my options, and this is where I need your help. So many of you guys might know that Jordan, also known as Grabber 2 Valve, actually has Raxom LED slash, smoked taillights. And I like the concept of the taillight, but I never thought they would look really good on my car like the ones I currently have. But unfortunately, you guys know those taillights days are numbered. Now you guys know I'm doing a trial and error by painting my own, so that leaves me with those two options. Do I go ahead and stick with just painting my own and seeing how they come out, or should I just go ahead and just get some Raxoms? And if I do choose the Raxom route, are any of you guys out there watching this video right now selling a set? I would much rather buy a set of Raxoms that are used and clean rather than brand new, because I think they retail at like 400 and some change, which is insane. Which one should we do? Don't you bite me. Yeah, they're watching me. Don't be grumpy. Ow! So yes, everyone, those are my options right now. And like I said, please, if someone's selling a set of Raxoms or know where I can get them pretty cheap, drop a comment down below. I'll reach out to you and hopefully we can make a deal. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start wet sanding these. You're probably not gonna see the final product in this video because, I have to let it cure. I have to let the clear coat completely dry. Then I have to wet sand again and then polish. And yeah, that's just too much time and we don't have enough today. But you guys will be able to see the first layer of clear coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right to it. Alright, so these are complete. I got done wet sanding on the tint, so now we are going to be ready for the clear coat. I'm not going to go too much into this, but we're going to lay that first thing of clear coat and see how they turn out. Alright everyone, so really quick, and don't mind the compressor. I just laid the first coat of clear coat down. I'm gonna do about 6 or 7 different things of clear coat, so I'm not gonna sit here and film each one. I just wanted to let you guys in on exactly what I have going on. So I'm either gonna end up painting some new ones, hopefully if these turn out really well, because I really do love the look of these. Or if any of you guys reach out to me that are selling a set of Raxoms, I'll probably end up getting those. Not really trying to spend the money on taillights right now, and like I said, it's just another thing I have to worry about, which sucks. So probably in the next video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how those turned out. I'm hoping they turn out good. So far, so good. They're gonna be pretty dark, which is gonna look really good. Again, they're not going on my car, but since they are in LED light, they're gonna shine right through that tint, no problem during the day, and I think they're gonna look pretty badass. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take the car back to my father's house, and I know I don't have my seatbelt on. I haven't hit the road yet, so I don't wanna hear any of you guys complaining, because I do have it on, actually. All right, everyone, so just got done dropping off the car at my father's house, back in the Camry on the way home. Like I said, I think this is gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment with any questions or concerns. If you wanna say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to 22 Strong S550. Thank you so much for your continued support, man, and make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. And if any of you guys want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP Squad in all your posts. As you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, I go to the hashtag, I see who used it, and boom, shout out. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Blow up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.